Grade 9, week number 14, chapter 10, circular motion. Lesson 1, rotation and revolution, textbook page number 171. Lesson 2, rotational speed, textbook page number 171 to 172. Welcome, dear students. From this lesson, we are going to learn about how to describe the two types of circular motion. Describe the relationship among tangential speed, rotational speed, and radial distance. Rotation and revolution. A Ferris wheel shown in figure turns around an axis. An axis is the straight line around which the rotation takes place. Types of circular motion. Two types of circular motion are rotation and revolution. When an object turns about an internal axis, that is, an axis located within the body of the object, the motion is called rotation or spin. The Ferris wheel and the skater rotate. These are examples of rotation. When an object turns about an external axis, the motion is called revolution. The riders on the Ferris wheel revolve about its axis. This is an example of revolution. So the main difference is that when an object rotates, it turns about an internal axis. The axis will be inside the object. But if the object revolves, or if it is revolution, then the axis will be external or it is outside the object. So these are the difference between the two types of circular motion. They are rotation and revolution. Rotational speed. Now let's see what is rotational speed. On the pre-CD record player shown in figure, which part of the record moves faster under the stylus? The outer part where the ladybug sits, or a part near the orange center? If you ask such a question to your friends, there will be different answers. Anyway, let's check what is rotational speed. Types of speed. There are different types of speed. Linear speed, which we simply called speed, that we learned from a previous chapter, is the distance traveled per unit of time. The speed of something moving along a circular path can be called tangential speed. Rotational speed, sometimes called angular speed, is the number of rotations per unit of time. So rotational speed is the number of rotations per unit of time. It is common to express rotational speed in revolutions per minute, that is RPM. So there are three types of speed: linear speed, tangential speed, and rotational speed. Tangential and rotational speed. Now let us see what is the relationship between tangential speed and rotational speed. Tangential speed and rotational speed are related. Tangential speed is directly proportional to the rotational speed and the radial distance from the axis of rotation. So we state tangential speed is directly proportional to radial distance times rotational speed. Railroad train wheels. The wheels of railroad trains are similarly tapered as shown in figure. This tapered shape is essential on the curves of railroad tracks. On any curve, the distance along the outer part is longer than the distance along the inner part. So, whenever a vehicle follows a curve, its outer wheels travel faster than its inner wheels. And this is the reason why the railroad train wheels are designed in this way. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.